Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download BitTorrent into your Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first go to your web browser. I chose Google Chrome and come over this search option over here. Now if you type BitTorrent download and then click enter. After that, here you will get www.bittorrent.com, the first link over here. Click on that. So here you can see we are in BitTorrent official website. You can see bittorrent.com. And now here you can see this is BitTorrent web applications. This is completely free to download. So we will download for our PC. For that, if you scroll down a little bit, here you will find BitTorrent Classic. And you can see the original desktop torrent client for Windows. So without hesitation, just click on that. And here you can see this is compare BitTorrent Classic versions. So here you can see there are 4 options. If you want to get the pro version, you can, but I will go for the basic for the free torrent app. So click on download now. After a second later, you can see it's BitTorrent downloaded over here. And if you now double click it 2 times to install, there will be a security notification pop up and then click yes. After that, minimize it. So here is your welcome to BitTorrent setup wizard. So click on next and click next. Agree. Click next. Next. And it will automatically download the additional files for BitTorrent. So here you can see the installation is completed, and now if you click on finish, it will automatically open BitTorrent over here. You can see. So now if we minimize it, you can open it from the BitTorrent desktop icon, you can see, or you can go for this start icon, and here you can search for BitTorrent. Here you can see the BitTorrent app is showing over here. So you can open it by 2 sides over here. So now we will go for this BitTorrent app, and there for the file system, just click on confirm. And they will automatically save the initial or essential permission. So you can see there are quite a lot of options over here. So you can download torrent files from here. It's very handy. So this is how you can download BitTorrent into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.